Hello everyone! Surely all of us have spent hours writing articles. Then we have to painstakingly upload them to our website. Or sometimes we're busy going somewhere and the process of writing and posting articles on our website gets interrupted. We don't update our posts regularly, which leads to losing traffic and losing customers who visit our site. So today, I'm going to show you a way to use AITP to write and automatically post articles to your website, as well as schedule them to be published exactly when you want. This will significantly help your website to always stay fully updated with the very latest articles and news, thereby keeping your valuable customers truly engaged and attracting even more new visitors through effective SEO traffic. So, how exactly do we accomplish that, and how can we do it in the most effective and efficient manner possible? This video is exactly the tutorial for you. To use the bulk writing and posting feature on your website with AITP, you need to click on the Bulk Write menu. In the Bulk Write menu, you'll see 5 subsections: Smart Write, Write by Keyword, Write Short Form, Write by Source, and Write by Outline. These 5 sections basically represent 5 different ways to write in Bulk Write mode. Bulk Write means creating multiple articles at once and being able to schedule their publication. Basically, these 5 sections only differ in the way you configure them. For example, with Smart Write, when you carefully set up your writing, the system inherently gives you more comprehensive options compared to simply using Write by Keyword. Having more options means you also have more input for your articles. In case you want to write concise articles to post on your website, you can choose the Write Short Form mode. It's quite similar to Write by Keyword, but the articles will be more condensed and focused on the keywords. You can also choose the Write by Source mode, which is a particularly powerful and versatile feature. This mode means that in addition to simply providing keywords, you are also able to supply specific and relevant links for the artificial intelligence to thoroughly learn from and subsequently generate its written content. This comprehensive approach directly corresponds to the well-known Write article mode, and more specifically, the highly effective Write by Source mode, which is prominently featured here. It will correspond to this mode. These 2 modes also correspond to each other. In cases where you already have an outline and want to write multiple articles in bulk based on that outline, you can use the Write by Outline mode here. These modes are quite similar to each other. In this video clip, I will carefully guide you on how to effectively use the Bulk Write mode, the efficient batch writing mode, and I will demonstrate using the simplest and most straightforward method, which is Write by Keyword. I've noticed that this is the method most people use. It's quite simple and easy to use, so I recommend that if you're new, you can start with Write by Keyword. Or if you need articles that are more detailed and have more comprehensive headings, you can use the Smart Write mode. In this video, I will guide you on how to effectively use the general Bulk Write mode, and I'll focus on the mode that people use most often, which is writing articles by keyword, specifically Write by Keyword. So, in the Write by Keyword mode, when you use this feature, it's a bulk writing function, meaning you provide keywords, multiple keywords, and the AI will write articles one by one based on each keyword you provide. When you look at this mode, you'll immediately see that the first option is the language selection. Here, you choose the language in which you want the article to be written. Next, you'll enter the keywords, and entering the keywords is the most important part here. And the trick to entering keywords is that each keyword on a separate line corresponds to one article, and on each line, you can enter one or multiple keywords following the rule: main keyword first, then the secondary keywords. I'll demonstrate how to enter the keywords for you. I'll try writing a few articles related to crypto as an example. I'll take some keywords from here to put in. Here, for example, if I were to leave it just like this, the AI will then write a complete article for this specific keyword, and I will also demo another one. The second article will be in the format of a main keyword and a secondary keyword. Here, this is the rule for you to enter main and secondary keywords. So the main keyword is this one and the secondary keyword is this one. Here, the AI will write an article in which the article will include both keywords, with the main keyword being P2P trading platform and the secondary keyword being best P2P trading platform. I'll demo one more article. Here. This is the third demonstration article, so I will now demonstrate 3 articles for you. The next option is the one that helps you choose. If you've already written an article for a related keyword, for example, if you've already written about this keyword and you don't want the AI to write that article again, then you should select Do Not Add to the List. But if you want the AI to just keep writing it again, no problem, then you should select Add Duplicate Keyword to the List. So in the case where you want the AI to just keep writing, even if this article has already been written before, you can just let it write again, no problem. Then you would select the option Add Duplicate Keyword to the List. Next, you'll be able to carefully choose images for your article. We'll then select the convenient option to search for images, and subsequently choose to search for images from the comprehensive sources provided by AICPT. After that, you can choose the number of images you want. So for each automatically generated article, you might want to add about 3 images or just 2 from these sources that match the keyword. And the AI will automatically find and add them to the article. As for the specific writing style that you ultimately want to employ, you can certainly select a particular style that genuinely does not require an extensive FAQ section to be included within the comprehensive article itself. Next is choosing which AI model to use for writing. AICPT offers a wide variety of powerful models, so you will need to carefully select one for the artificial intelligence to effectively utilize for the purpose of writing. A simple tip here is to choose the newer models, as the quality of the articles is usually better and more up-to-date compared to the older models. So I'll select the newest model here. The newest model is usually listed at the top. Next, I'll choose which website to publish to after writing. If you're new to AICPT and don't have a website yet, you can click the Add a Website button to add your website. Or you can also go to the Settings menu to add a website. Next is the setting that allows you to choose whether to publish to the website after writing with AICPT or not. Here, if you choose not to publish, then Do Not Auto Post means it won't be published. If you choose to publish, you'll have 2 options. The first option is to publish immediately after AI finishes writing, and the second option is to publish at a specific time you set. For example, if you want to publish 2 posts a day, one at 8:00 and one at 18:00, then you will select these 2 time slots. If you want a different time slot, just select and enter it here, then click Save. In this demo, I'll demonstrate publishing immediately after writing is finished. But if you want to schedule a time, just set it, for example, after finishing the first post, the AI will wait and check what time it is. For example, if it's currently 3 in the morning and you schedule the post for 8 o'clock, then at 8 o'clock the AI will publish the post to your website, and it will do this every day. For example, if you set it up so that posts go up at 8 o'clock and 18 o'clock, then every day it will publish 2 posts for you at 8 and 18 o'clock on your website, according to the keywords and the articles that have been completed. This is very useful. If you're busy and don't have much time to take care of your website, you can use this setting to ensure your website always has the latest updated articles. Alright, so in this demo, I will demonstrate the feature of posting immediately after the article is written, so it's easier for you to visualize and see. Next, you select this option, and then you choose the category where you want the AI to post this series of articles once they're finished. You just pick the option for where to post. After you've selected all the options, you'll see two choices. One is Add to Pending, and the other is Do Book Write. Add to Pending means you want to add it to the queue, but not write it immediately. If you click the Do Book Write button on the blue one, it will start writing the article right away. If you want to set any special SEO customizations, you can click on the SEO options here. If you don't want to use it, you can just turn it off. Here are the SEO options. I'll make a separate video specifically to talk about these SEO options. But in this general video, we'll temporarily skip the SEO options. Let's close it for now. Alright, let's click this button and I'll review the article and guide you through it again. Next, we'll click the Do Book Write button. First, the language setting is already correct. Next is the keyword, which here corresponds to 3 articles. For images, it will search for images, insert them, and write 2 images. The writing style is set here. Then the AI model is set to 4.1 and it will be posted to the website. Alright, that's good. It will be published immediately after the AI finishes writing. And then we'll click on Book Write. After clicking, you'll have 2 options. One is to add more entries. The second is to click to view the queue list. In the case where no one else is waiting to write with you, because this mode is a server-based writing mode, there are a lot of requests being sent. If there are 100 articles waiting ahead of you, you'll be in the queue as number 101, 102, and so on. But if no one else is waiting, then your articles will be written by the AI immediately. Then you can just click and view them right away. For example, here are 3 articles that the AI has finished writing and are about to be published. As you can see, earlier I set it to publish immediately. So as soon as it finished writing, it was queued up to be published right away. 3 o'clock, 2 minutes. Here, 3 o'clock, 2 minutes. So it's currently waiting to be published. Alright, since the publishing process is not synchronized with the writing process, you will see that it shows as waiting or scheduled here. We might need to refresh once or twice and then we'll see that it's preparing and we'll publish the post. One thing to note when using the Book Write batch writing mode is that after the AI finishes writing your post, it will handle and publish that post for you. So if you want to make customizations, for example, images, for instance, the meta title, the meta description, or even customizing the content itself or the post's unique URL, you can easily configure all of these important elements through the dedicated Load Website section within the platform. When you click on Configure, you'll see the settings appear here. The very first and most important setting you have available is for carefully configuring the essential information so that the artificial intelligence truly understands the specific style, the particular product, and all the intricate details you want the AI to thoroughly learn in order to write specifically and effectively for that particular website. So yeah, you can easily fill in all of the necessary information here within this section, and when you actually do, the artificial intelligence will immediately start learning and effectively using all of the valuable information you thoughtfully provide to accurately write for you. The second thing is that you can customize the permalink, which means the structure of the link for the post. When it gets published, there will be options here to use the link from the keyword from the title, use the link from the main keyword, or use the link from all the keywords. Here, the option I'm selecting is to use the link from the keyword, the main keyword, and whether to synchronize the keyword as a tag in the WordPress post or not. So if you want to synchronize, select yes, and if you don't want to synchronize, select no. After that, just click Save Config. Alright, now I'll click on All Posts again to check if the publishing process was successful. Earlier I wrote 3 posts and the publishing process was successful. As you can see, with automatic posting, it has already finished publishing. This is the post that you finished writing, and we can click on this icon to see how the published post looks. Do you clearly remember the important option from earlier in our discussion? That is the crucial option for the permalink to effectively use the primary most relevant keyword as the permalink. So you can clearly see that my main central keyword for this particular topic is how to efficiently buy and securely sell in Binance P2P. This comprehensive phrase accurately reflects the core subject matter. So right here, this particular keyword will be effectively utilized as the permanent link within the title section, as you can clearly observe in the actual URL address right here, as you can plainly see for yourself. And I had the option to find 2 images to add to the post, so the AI found 2 images and added them to the article. There, and I have the option to use the keyword as a tag on WordPress, so here it's used as a tag. So, as you can clearly see, these 3 articles have been successfully written and subsequently published on the website. Let me open the 3 articles for you. Alright, so with the method of using Bulk Write mode, it helps you write a lot of articles, and you can also schedule them to be published. If you work in the crypto space and you want the artificial intelligence to better understand your published articles as well as your innovative products, you should utilize the option in the website knowledge configuration to set up and effectively add that crucial knowledge. So you can configure the knowledge for your website. What is your website about? What are your products? Once you configure it, the AI will automatically learn that knowledge, and when writing, it will automatically add links to that knowledge. I'll make a more detailed video about this knowledge section, so if you're writing, you can check out the knowledge part to help with your writing. So with this comprehensive guide on the bulk writing mode, Bulk Write, I sincerely hope you now fully understand how to effectively schedule posts on your website, efficiently write multiple articles at once for your site, and consistently and regularly update your website's valuable content so your site always has high quality and truly up-to-date articles. I genuinely hope this detailed video helps you significantly save valuable time and considerable effort in managing your website. Goodbye, and see you again in other tutorial videos from AIKTP.